hair. It's like old school Justin Bieber right there.
Okay, here we are at the little mini horses. We're Sally at the mini horses. Hello, mini horses. No? Hello? Who are you? They're like a little puppy. Oh yeah.
They're massive.
Like a little puppy. Oh yeah. Hello. Oh, a little puppy like that. Okay, bye-bye miniature horses.
Oh, one's taking a whiz.
Oh, what is that?
I think the viewers do want to see that.
No, they don't. He's a boy.
I can't tell what from here.
Oops. That's like the episode of Wild Kingdom.
Oh, look at all the poo. Who cleans this thing out? Look, it's like they've got their own spot over there that it's all their favourite.
Well, people should come and collect it for their garden.
Yeah, true. Okay, bye-bye.
You got everything? Alright,
Yeah.
we have successfully refueled at the miniature horses. Away we go, off to Blacksnake Lookout.
This is the place you saw the Blacksnake.
No, it's back over at the Ural test track.
Oh.
So that's where our next stop will be.
Then why is this Blacksnake Lookout?
No, where we're heading to. We're heading to Blacksnake Lookout. That's our final destination.
Got it.
Alright. More later, viewers.
Recording.
Okay, so we're heading down. We're recording now. We're heading down to Blacksnake Lookout. Now, don't be terrified. There may not be any black snakes today, but there was one yesterday.
Right.
Off the tree root.
Right. Yep, lovely.
There's the weird tree.
What? I've done this before.
This is Blacksnake Lookout.
Don't run over it and then it'll come back and attack us.
It's easy going down.
Oh no.
Not so easy going up.
You shouldn't go down anywhere where it's difficult going up.
Yeah, we're going down to Blacksnake Lookout. Oops. Watch out for the rocks.
You really shouldn't be saying whoops while you're driving this thing. You've still got to go back and get your camera.
Yeah,
This is as far as we go.
this is as far as we go. This is the way to Blacksnake Lookout.
Right.
You may alight from the vehicle.
Ugh.
The branch just broke off. That's the way out, the way around that tree.
Yeah.
There we go. We got a good run up it, and we'll be right now.
Dad, what did you put it in the tree? I thought that was a bat hanging upside down.
There we go.
I don't know if that looked as cool as you wanted it to. It took you about 10 tries.
Oh.
Don't you dare let me roll back.
It's in gear. Hopefully it'll stay there.
Yep.
Ready?
Hey. There you go. Oh, God. Jeez. Oh.
Hey, we made it. That's much better with you on the side there, because if I come up there without anybody in the sidecar, I nearly tip over. People.
There's what?
There was
Where?
people on the other track.
Oh. I didn't see him. Oh, I saw him.
You saw them?
What have they got on their backs? Like ice rafts.
Have they?
I don't know. I saw a glimpse.
I don't know, I was too busy concentrating on the road. On the Ural test track.
Why have we named it that? Oh, oh God.
The tree.
Ah! Dad!
There we go.
Oh.
Back to civilization.
Oh.
Oh, look at that good puppy.
Good dog.
He's a good puppy. Sitting there.
Like to be a police dog at best. So you look at the graffiti this time.
Okay.
It's on the other side of it.
The old burnout car has been decorated, has it?
Yeah. See?
Oh, right.
It's a bit more of a landmark now.
Yeah. It's been there a long time. Nobody's coming to take it away.
May as well get out the spray paint.
Okay, that's it, viewers. Say bye now.
Bye now.
We'll see you next time. Bye for now.